Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join Grow a Garden to Discord server. Okay, first of all, make sure that you have already installed Discord application, either on your mobile phone or on your computer. And then you're going to go to your browser, then try to search Grow a Garden to Discord like this. And there will be a website. This is an invitation, guys, and then you're going to open it and hold on, and here you just need to accept invite and it will bring you to the Discord. Okay, we need to do a verification. All right, and I'm going to open up my Discord and hold on. All right, done. And here you can choose what seats do you want to get notification about. Okay, you can customize the server. Okay guys, and that's how you can join Grow a Garden to Discord server. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.